the textbook of grade 9 English, and the required ingredients are
soya bean, grams and kidney bean,
Mixed pulses, black eyed peas, boiled greens.
and white peas, black pulses and some green pulses.
bay leaf, garlic and ginger.
Tomato, onion, green chili.
Turmeric powder, salt and mixed spices.
Separate all the unwanted particles from the pulses.
Soak all the pulses in water.
now rinse all the soap beads and then drain it. Now keep it for 3 to 4 days.
You also do not.
I'm done.
Onion made me cry. What about you? Can you stop this onion?
Yes.
See, I'm crying. I want you to help me.
I'm crying. Don't cry, miss.
Okay. सानो दुःखले आर्जेको होइन
मलाई दुःख लागेको छ.
What are you doing, Sanjeev?
Chopping tomato.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing, girls? Chopping? Are you chopping ginger and onion? Sorry, garlic. I love onions because I cried a lot in the morning, so. Is it easy? Sorry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you love cooking? Yes.
Bye.
Going to add tomato. Okay. Some more spices, and this is cumin seed powder for some more flavor and taste. Okay. Wow, look. It seems like finger licking good. Oh, red chili powder. Mix properly now. Okay, mix it properly.
बेसार कति हाले तिमी भरिभरि त हाल्दैन ल जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई
हालेको
हाले हो
smells good.
ओ हलमा Oh, ल Good job.
यो दाले चाहिँ त्यसरी गर अनि यो दाले चाहिँ पनिरै त्यसो गर न
त्यो पनि खनेर गर्ने
Let's go. Let's
Good job, good job. Carry on, carry on. Yes, so roti as a
Well done. Roti. Oh, here, would like to.
Good morning everyone, we are the member of KWATI and now we are going to present how to make KWATI. The traditional Nepali mixed bean soup specially popular during Janai Purnima and the required ingredients are mixed sprouted beans, typically black grams, green grams, chickpeas, soybeans, field peas, kidney peas, pigeon peas, cow's peas and lentils, which are 9 types total: ginger and garlic paste, chopped onion and tomato, cumin and cardamom seed, bay leaves, ghee, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder and salt, etc. The recipe for making KWATI is: first of all we have to melt ghee in a pressure cooker. Second, put cumin seeds and carom seeds and fry them. Third, add onion and a bay leaves and ginger garlic paste. Fourth is add tomatoes, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Fifth is fry until the tomatoes is tender.
Sixth is now add sprouted mixed bean KWATI and then the red chili powder. Fry it for 5 to 6 minutes. Add hot water and then put salt and garam masala. Cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. KWATI is ready to be served.
Good morning everyone. Today we are presenting our presentation of making KWATI from brew house.
The ingredients which are needed to make KWATI are sprouted mixed beans, ghee, onion, cumin seeds, carom seeds, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, bay leaves, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Thank you.
The method of making KWATI are: melt ghee in a pressure cooker, put cumin seeds and carom seeds in a pan, fry them, add onion, then bay leaves and ginger paste, and after that add tomatoes, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes. After then, fry until tomato is tender. Now add sprouted mixed beans, KWATI and then red chili powder.
Then add hot water, then salt and garam masala. Cook for about 5 whistles. KWATI is ready to be served. Thank you.
Namaste and good afternoon. We are the members of Red House. Today we are going to explain the method of making KWATI. The ingredients to make KWATI are cumin seeds, bay leaves, ghee, onion, ginger, coriander powder, turmeric powder, carom seeds, tomatoes, chili, salt, mixed beans, etc. The procedure of making KWATI are: the first step is add the tomatoes, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Then the second step is melt ghee in a pressure cooker. Now add sprouted mixed beans and then red chili powder. Fourth step is put cumin seeds and the carom seeds in a pan and fry it.
Fry until tomatoes are tender for 5 minutes and onion, then bay leaves and ginger garlic paste.
Now add water, then salt and garam masala. Cook for about 5 minutes, then it's ready. Thank you.
Hello, namaste and good afternoon everyone. Today we are presenting our presentation about recipe of KWATI.
Hello everybody, we are from Greenhouse member of grade 9 Oronico, and on this day we are going to give you introduction that how is KWATI prepared. First of all, we need to know what is KWATI. KWATI is a mixed soup of 9 sprouted beans. It is a traditional and typical dish of Newari dish consumed on the festival of Guni Purnima and recipe of KWATI. So first of all, we need ingredients to make KWATI. After all, we all know nothing is prepared by when there isn't any ingredient. So first of all, we need soaked and sprouted mixed bean of your choices. There must be 9, and you can put more than 9 too. So 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, coriander powder, tablespoon of cumin seed, black mustard seed, green chili and onion, and paste of grilled garlic and ginger. After that, you must you should put canned seed, chopped onion, and 3 tablespoons of oil, salt and water. Salt as wanted, and some cup of water and spring onion or coriander. I would like to call my friend Shree to let this presentation go on.
Our pressure cooker or pot, heat ghee or oil, add cumin seeds, ajwain, black mustard seed until it's golden brown. Add chopped onion, garlic and ginger paste, stir till it turns light brown. Add turmeric and chili powder. Add the sprouted beans and stir well for a few minutes. Add enough water.
Add enough water, pressure cook for tomato, wishless or simmer in a pot of 1 hour until beans are soft. Add salt, timur and adjust spice as needed. Let it boil for 5-10 more minutes on low heat. It's ready for cooking.
This was our presentation, and it is submitted to Sumitra ma'am and Nana ma'am. So thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me Asma. Today we are going to share recipe of KWATI. Name of item: onion, cumin seed, carom seed, tomato by leaves, tomatoes powder, all the beets and put it in the water. They make again in a pressure cooker.
Seed and carom seed in a pan and fry them. Next, add onion, then bay leaves and ginger garlic paste.
Tomato powder and garlic powder. Then fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Mix bean and then red chili powder. Then add hot water. Then salt and garam masala.
Good afternoon, respected teacher and my dear friends. It's Padma from grade 9, representing Yellow House in front of you to present a short presentation on the topic of how to make KWATI. So, I would like to start by saying the introductions of KWATI. KWATI is a traditional mixed bean soup from Nepal community in Nepal. It is known for its rich, hearty flavor and healthy benefits. It's often enjoyed during festivals like New Year's. I would like to give the mic to Sandeep Bohra to say recipe of KWATI.
I'm the member of Yellow House, and I'm going to tell the ingredients to make KWATI. The necessary pulses to make KWATI are black-eyed peas, the black gram, soya beans, chickpeas, broad bean, kidney bean, green gram, peas, rice beans, etc. And the soup base are onions, tomato, garlic paste, ginger paste, green chilies, cumin powder, mustard seed, chili powder, ghee or well salt to taste, etc. First of all, to make KWATI, we have to soak the beans and then boil the beans and prepare the tempering torta. Combine the simmer, and last one is finish and serve it.
Hope you like our short and sweet presentations and hope understand how to make kwati. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to present how to prepare kwati. Ingredients: 2 cups soaked and sprouted mixed beans of your choice. Step 2: 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon black mustard seed, 1 green chili, 1 tomato, 1 chopped onion.
Required beans and sauce: black eye pea, gold beans, gram beans, soya beans, kidney beans, green pea, white pea, mung beans, black beans.
I'm going to tell about recipe. First, we need to melt ghee in a pressure cooker. Put cumin seeds and carom seeds in a pan and fry them. Add onion, then bay leaves, and add tomatoes, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. Fry until tomato is tender. 6. Now add sprouted mixed beans and then red chili powder. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Add hot water, then salt and garam masala. Cook for about 4 to 5 whistles. Kwati is ready to be served.
Everyone, my name is Sunita Tharu from class 9 and I am representing Telegao. Today we are here to give introduction about how to prepare kwati.
I was small peas, black gram, soya beans, red kidney beans, green gram, corn, chickpeas.
So mixed beans overnight. Sprouted mixed beans. Mixing or cooking for about 770 to 8 minutes.
For wash and soak mixed beans overnight 10 hours before cooking. Stored mixed beans. Mix all ingredients with oil in a pressure cooker. Add ginger and garlic paste, salt, turmeric and coriander powder, chili powder and add hot water. Cook for about 7 to 8 whistles. Kwati is ready to serve. In Newari language, kwa means hot and tea means soup. It is a traditional Newari dish. Kwati is best. Thank you.